Hello everyone. Coach Gabby here, and today I have a strength and flexibility Pilates for you. I'm super excited to show this to you and do it with you. So first I'm gonna go through the exercises and then we're gonna do it all together, all right? First we have the 100, starting on the floor. And I'm not quite sure why it's called the 100, but I'm 100% that it's good for your abs. So we're gonna lay back and bring our legs to a tabletop, all right? So they're parallel to the floor. And then you're gonna lift your shoulders like a crunch, extend your arms out, and then pulse. Pulsing here, holding here, engaging your core, relaxing your neck, all right? And that's the 100. Still on the floor, we're going into our next one, which is the single leg stretch. So laying back, we're gonna bring up one of our legs, both extended out, and you're gonna lightly hold on to your calf or wherever you can, lower here, and bring yourself up again with like a crunch. And you're going to switch legs, grabbing on to the leg as it comes up and pausing for a bit when you hold on. So that's where the stretch comes in. You're working your abs and stretching your legs, all right? Just like that. And next we have a mermaid stretch. So I'm gonna do it from the front and then maybe show you on the side as well. So like if you're much like a pigeon pose, except you're gonna bend your back leg as well. So both legs bent, put your arm to the side and reach over and stretch. And you should feel that right here. It should feel really good, okay? And then we're gonna switch sides, do it on the left. And we're gonna end it with a chair pose. So back on our feet right below your hips. And we're going to sit back and bring your arms up. So just like you're sitting in a chair. Ready? And then you're gonna hold. Whoop. Find your balance and hold. You should really feel this in your legs, your stomach, your back, honestly everywhere. All right? And we're gonna do each of those exercises for 30 seconds. So let's get into it. First, starting on the floor, we have the 100. Lying on your back, legs come to a tabletop. All right, crunch up, extend your arms. Extend your arms, not your legs. And pulse, pulse. This should help you, stay up and balance yourself. Remember to relax your neck. You don't wanna strain it too forward. And you really wanna engage your core. You should feel like you're doing a crunch, like you're holding yourself in a crunch. Pulsing, pulsing. Don't forget to breathe. Super important to breathe. We're almost there. Just a few more. And 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Woo! My abs are a-burning. That was good. So next, lying back, we're gonna do the single leg stretch. One up, woo, stand, hello. I mean, the pros and cons of the beach. I got a beautiful setting, but sand everywhere, my goodness. So, grabbing where you can, crunching up, looking forward, and alternate legs. Hold. Switch and hold. Switch and hold. Now, if this is a little bit too much for you, feel free to change it up. You can bend your legs, keep a flat back, whatever works for you. All right, we wanna make sure we're being safe above all things. All right, almost done. Just a few more. Squeeze that core. All right, last one. And down, wonderful. Now let's stretch out that torso with the mermaid stretch. So both knees bent, hand to the side, and we're going to reach over, breathe in, and stretch. Oh, that feels good. It should feel nice. Take a deep breath, relax, recover from those hundreds and leg stretches. Almost done. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and inhale as you come up. Whew. Now switch legs. Left front, right back, hand to the side. We're gonna reach over, breathe, and stretch to this side. This should feel really, really good right here. You should feel that stretch there, and also in your legs. This is really good hip opener as well. Relax, breathe. Just a few more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and open. Very good. Now, standing up, we're gonna finish strong with the chair pose. All right? Feet hip width apart. I dare you to try that, saying that fast. Hip width apart, and as we squat down, as we sit in our imaginary chair, we're gonna bring our arms up, all right? Ready, and go. Okay, so it's very important to keep a straight back here. You really wanna remember your posture, a neutral spine, no arching, engage your core, and stabilize your head. Look forward, not stand forward. Relax your shoulders, push them away from your ears, and breathe. We're almost done. Hold on there. Feel that burn. My legs are burning. And 3, 2, 1, stand. Woo! Great job, everyone. That was your strength and flexibility Pilates. Click the link below for more workouts with myself, Coach Sam, Coach Grace. We have recipes, we have it all. Subscribe to our channel.